Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Today I am showing you a new product of Woodakh. This fashionable and colorful wooden stool is the beauty of your home. It is both comfortable and standard. You can also use it in dining room, bedroom, living room and kitchen. Excellent beautiful flowers and designs are printed on it. It uses high elastic 1.5-inch foam. Size this product are length this product 19 inches, within this product size 14 inches. Buy at the link below to beauty your home. Make your dreams come true. Woodakh.